everyone. Today we are going to see our project, that is Smart Dustbin using Arduino. Go to Tinkercad first. Go to first link, click on create and then click on circuit. So our daily life, we throw garbage into a dustbin by touching the lid. This can spread germs and bacteria, especially in public places and hospitals and homes. To solve this problem, I designed a touch-free automatic dustbin that opens and closes on its own. So let's design our automatic dustbin. First component that we need, which is Arduino Uno, then breadboard, then micro servo, in the connection. First pin of distance vector PC connected to high voltage. Then for ground, the connect ground pin. For go and trip, they are connected. For now, for the servo motor, there are three pins, that is signal, power, and ground. So we are giving the connection for signal 5 WM pin, then connection for power 5 voltage that will combine ground. So this is our connection. Now let's see the code. This is code for our project. First, we have include servo.h and servo main. So we include a special library to control the servo motor, and servo main. The name servo main is the name we give to our servo. Then this is defining for pins. Trick 4 is ultrasonic trick pin connected to Arduino pin 4. Echo pin is connected to Arduino pin 3. Duration will store the time taken by sound wave, and distance store the calculated distance. Then we have void setup. So void setup runs only one when Arduino start. So servo pin connected to pin number 5. Trig is set as output and echo is set as input here. And start communication to show the distance on servo motor. Then void loop. So in void loop, trig sends here, trig sends 10 microseconds pulse, and this pulse create the sound. Then for duration, this measures how long the echo pin stays high, tells us that how long the sound wave took to return. Then for distance, we used here the formula because our sound speed is equal to 0.034 centimeter per microsecond, and we divided by 2 because the sound travels to object and back. So now we get the distance in centimeters. Then serial print, it shows the distance in serial monitor every half seconds. And lastly, we have condition of if else. So if distance is less than 30 centimeter, which means someone's hand is near, servo rotates to 120 degree and dustbin lids are open. Then for else part, if distance is more than 30 centimeter, then no object is near and servo goes back to 0. Dustbin lids will close. So this is our code. Now let's see the solution. This is how our project will work. When a person brings their hand near to the dustbin, the ultrasonic sensor measures the distance. If the distance is less than 30 centimeter, the Arduino tells the servo motor to rotate and open the lid. When the hand is removed, the distance increases and the servo closes the lid automatically. So this is touch-free, hygienic, smart dustbin system design here. Thank you.